Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the new feature on CapCut AI Writer. So this feature is still on beta, but you can use it if you are on the latest CapCut version. So the AI Writer will let you to generate script or narrations for your videos easily only by uh, adding some theme or keyword. So here what you need to do is just add your clips and then go straight to captions. Let's close it, and in here tap on this enter caption options and just click on the text box, and at the bottom there will be this AI writer. So as you guys can see, it's still a beta version, so let's just click on this to use it. And in here you can just enter your requirements such as theme and style. So I'm going to just write news report on traffic, for example. And after that, here you can click on the white arrow. Now CapCut will write the script for you. Just wait until it finishes generating. Okay, so you guys can see here, this is the result. You can just read it again to make sure that it fits with your needs. And in here you can also change it. You can see there are three options. You can just select which one that you want to use. I'm going to use the third script, for example. Now you can just click on use and then click on done at the top. Now if you want to, you can also add a voiceover just by selecting the voice. So I'm going to go with Thomas, for example.
You're using the text-to-speech feature. Choose a voice
Now
you like.
just click on next. I'm going to go with don't split. Now CapCut will generating the captions and also the speech. Just wait until it's done. Okay, so this is the result. You can
Hey
see.
there, friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving
So
into the
this
world
is
of
the
traffic.
result, and that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.